Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Ikea brand dishwasher and you need to reset it. Maybe it's acting funny, or maybe you got an error code or something like that. Or maybe you're just here because you need to change the cycle that you put it on. So if it's the latter, if you need to change the cycle, you just want to reset whatever cycle it's on, there is a drain button on it, and if you just press that button or press and hold that button, it will send it through a drain cycle, drain all the water out, and put it into standby mode. And then you can start up whatever you want. If you need to do a true reset on it, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to make sure it's turned off, and then unplug it from the wall, or turn it off at the circuit breaker. Make sure there's no power to it at all, and leave the power off for at least 30 seconds to a minute. And anything longer than that is all bonus, because it'll help all the electronics forget everything and clear everything out. And then once that's done, then you can restore power, turn it on, and it should be back to its original settings. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.